How do you prove emotional distress in court? Hi, I'm attorney Justin Elsner. I'm a personal injury attorney. Emotional distress is probably the biggest part of anybody's claim and the most difficult part to prove in court. It's easy to have a medical record and say, well, this chiropractic appointment cost this much money, but emotional distress really is what impacts us the most a lot of times in any kind of injury case. But it's also the most difficult to prove because we can't put a specific number to it. And the court doesn't have a way of assigning a specific number, so there isn't a calculation that people use. It's not, well, this many months of treatment or my medical bills were this much, so then you double or triple that. It's really based on the individual. And so how then do you establish that? And that's where we are going to spend a lot of time talking with our clients and trying to figure out, well, how do we best present what happened to them and their story? Because everybody's different. So some people, they've missed out on vacations, they've had to quit school, they've lost out on job promotions, they've missed out on significant milestones in their life. Maybe their kids are little and they can't pick up their kids or hold their kids, play with their kids. And so if you've been injured for a few years, and a lot of those early years when the kids are really rambunctious and you miss out on those because of your injuries, that's going to be a pretty significant impact on your life. And so presenting in court especially is done numerous ways. And one obviously is you as the injured person would testify, but obviously we would want to bring in neighbors, co-workers, friends, family members, anybody who knows you well and is able to testify about how this injury thing happened and how it impacted you. And a lot of times those are going to be the best witnesses, because ourselves, a lot of times we want to minimize things, or we don't see really how things impact us as much as the people around us do. And so it's kind of building your case, telling your story of everybody around you, but realizing that everybody's story is unique, and every injury incident as well is unique. And so that's really about getting that full story of what happened to you. And so if you have an injury case and you're looking for somebody to help you out in presenting that case to the insurance company, and then if it has to go to court, we're happy to help you out with that. We also offer you a free consultation. So if you just have some questions about that, feel free to reach out to us.